Yeah, it'll be coming up on the traffic calendar. It'll be coming up on the traffic calendar, the DWLS.
Yes, Judge, he's on the list.
The jail arraignment calendar.
Sorry? What's that? Officer? Oh, my hair looks
The
good.
traffic case will be on the next calendar, Judge.
Okay. All right.
Can we address it now?
No, it's gonna be on the next calendar. Okay. All right, Camille Salog. Well, actually, yeah, Camille Salog.
I believe it's. Yes, he's present, Judge. This is a bench warrant.
Yes, this is Mr. Salog. You speak English?
I do, yes.
All right. You were ordered to do a program and you never attended or never successfully completed it. So you're being arrested for that. Not worth it. It's a lot better to go to the program and not be in an orange jumpsuit, I would think, right?
Yes,
All right.
I to be the program. For your,
Okay. Do you want to stay in custody or go to the or finish the program?
that would be the kingdom, of course.
The program? Okay. State?
Good question.
Did the judge in the prior case issue a bond that she wanted to impose?
No, Judge, it was with no bond. She was held no bond.
The clerk? No? No?
Judge would be asking to serve the warrant and release him to pretrial services or to actually out of harm.
Right. All right, so this case needs to be set on the civil compliance calendar if there is one. And Judge Carol Kelly did authorize an ROR. I'm going to release you without you having to post a bond. It's not going to happen the second time if you don't complete your program. Judge Kelly agreed to that, and so I'll do it. I'm quashing the warrant at this case at this time as it has been served. Anything else?
No, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What do you got?
Did I do this already? Jonathan Rodriguez?
I think that individual has 2 cases today, Your Honor, so you may have.
I did the other one. All right. So are we finished with this calendar?
Yes, Judge, I believe that's the last of the DV cases.
What's our next calendar?
Misdemeanors.
We ready on it? Let's go.
We can give Mr. Clark all the stay away orders in advance so that we can.
Okay. Okay. And who's here?
Recording stopped.
How are you? I'm in civil.
Recording in progress.
Your Honor, good morning. This is Joanne Hennessy. I'm here for the City of Miami Beach for the jail arraignment calendar.
Okay.
Yeah, good action.
Good morning.
Can I get my A form so I can start reading them? He's got them. Who has the A form so I can start reading them? Okay. I was saying this camera makes my hair look good. These are bond outs. All right. What do you want me to sign down here?
This one. Stay away.
Okay. Okay. Here are your bond outs. You're welcome. What do you need me to do here?
Bond out.
Ma'am, I signed it. Welcome.
Yeah. Then, but also,
Yeah.
you know, if you dress, stay away from every day, you know, address me.
I'm ready to go. Do we need, oh, our clerk needs to get settled? Okay.
Oh,
Is every stay we order.
I saw that, but I didn't know if you needed me to sign.
I'm gonna fill this up. I'll be back very short. Yeah. We have all this here whenever you guys are ready.
You have what?
All the stay we here whenever you guys are.
All right, over.
Okay. I know worries. It's the order.
Oh,
Okay.
oh,
You're good.
let me know when we're ready to go.
We're ready to go, Judge.
You're ready? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. I don't have a calendar. I usually have a calendar. Just go by the. I got you. This one?
And Judge, number 1 and number 2 would have to be reset. We're gonna start.
Hold up. I don't have a calendar. I have these. Oh. Yeah, November 5th, okay.
But that's only for the record. She made. You're gonna use them. You.
All right, let's go. Tabitha Esther Alonso. Tabitha Esther Alonso.
Refused. We need to reset it.
All right,
C detox.
that one is refused. Where do you want me to write my notes? On the arrest affidavit or on the calendar? Oh, okay, back up the page. Okay. 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 All right, so Tabitha Alonso, refused. That's gonna be a reset.
She is NBC detox.
I'm sorry?
She's NBC judge. A reset for tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
A
yes.
refusal.
All right, that's a reset. Next,
You right, reset.
I did, or it's already written, somebody wrote it. Okay. Okay. Oh, she didn't come, got it. And what's today? Oh, 10/26 reset. Okay. You want me to initial? Okay. All right, folks, and Janine Gray.
Your Honor, Joanne Hennessy for the City of Miami Beach.
She
Okay,
refuse, reset for tomorrow.
refused, reset for tomorrow.
Same thing, sir.
10/26 reset. Oh,
Just to note, Your Honor, I believe that's the second or third reset.
yes, it is.
Thank you.
Refused. Terry Teresa Williamson,
Your Honor, Joanne Hennessy for the city of Miami Beach.
okay, there we go. Good morning, ma'am. Any PC argument?
Judge, no PC argument, but
I'll
be at
find,
or then reset to homeless calendar.
all right, I'll find PC. State,
Say, this is Joanne Hennessy for the city of Miami Beach. I don't see any known priors. So I'll defer to the judge regarding release. The standard bond is 150.
And would be asking for an ROR. And reset with the date certain.
all right.
$150.
I'm gonna ROR her. Her crime was to sleep outside. ROR, ma'am. Ma'am, listen, you need to go to a homeless shelter. If you continue to sleep outside, it violates an ordinance. The city doesn't want that. So, you need to stay away from sleeping outside.
Your Honor, will you give her a date certain?
When
You have to come back to court. What date? All right, so November 5th, 2025, November 5th, 2025. Where did she go?
I'm here. That I was homeless shopping. I was here.
All right, you need to, yes? Yeah, that's even a little far away. Ms.
So Judge, yeah,
Ms. Williamson, listen to me. Listen to me, because otherwise you're gonna be back in jail. You need to get yourself to court October 26th. That's tomorrow.
No.
mean-
with November 5th, Judge.
I'm sorry, no. It said you wrote 10/26. All right. Forget it, all the dates I've said before. Are you listening to me, Ms. Williamson?
Yes.
You have to get yourself to court October 29th, 8:45 in the morning, courtroom 6-8. That's on the 6th floor. When are you coming back, ma'am?
I'm here to
No, when are you coming? What date did I just give you?
October 25 at 8 courtroom 6.
And Judge, I have the
Courtroom 6-8.
and I have the referral sheet with the court information from Ms.
All
Williams.
right, good enough. So let me just make sure I wrote this. PC found, that's not the homeless, it's 10/29, 25, 8:45, courtroom 6-8. Okay. All right, ma'am. I think I wrote it for you there. All right, Sandy Shamo,
Present.
Shamo.
Your Honor, Joanne Hennessy for the city of Miami Beach.
All right, Mr. Fedkulov,
Yes, I do have a PC argument, Judge. So,
what is,
and in this case, we would be asking to find no PC because I actually strike that judgment.
all right, I'll find PC. And, Ms.
Would be asking for
Ms. Hennessy, what are you asking for?
Your Honor, I see no known. I have one prior from 2017 for trespassing in park after hours.
Okay.
The standard bond is 150 and I'll defer to you, Your Honor.
and would be asking for an RR with the date certain in the homeless calendar.
I'm going to ROR. I'm going to let you release you without having to post a bond, Ms. Shamo. Something is that's you, right, Sandy Shamo?
Yes, Judge.
There's nowhere to. Hello?
Yes.
Hi.
Hi. You'll have to find a shelter. I'm going to, if you keep doing this, you're just gonna be coming back. I mean, I don't know.
May I speak? It's okay.
I'm telling you to come back on the homeless shelter calendar, October 29th at 8:45 in courtroom 6-8. Would you repeat that for me, please?
Sorry.
When are you coming back?
October 29th. Okay,
8:45.
in the morning.
Yes,
Where is this?
Court.
in the criminal courthouse.
Okay,
And I heard you saying that you were homeless, ma'am. Well, you've got to pull yourself up by your bootstraps. There's nothing, you've got to figure it out. Okay, good luck.
Is that a ROR?
That's an ROR. Okay, Andrea Lillian Littman. Any PC?
She's not yet here, Judge.
Is there a PC argument while she makes her way there?
No PC argument.
All right, I will find C, state,
Save your question, Standard Bond.
okay. What about her priors?
Judge, no prior conviction. Be asking for pretrial services.
So there was a traffic accident and she got aggressive and allegedly slapped this person. Yeah. What bond are you asking for?
Standard Bond.
What standard bond? On a, Madam Clerk, on a
It's a-
1,000 standard bond?
Yes.
Standard bond, $1,000. I don't know if that's true or not, but if you slapped a perfect stranger because you were upset, you can't do that because you end up in an orange jumpsuit, okay?
okay.
Standard bond, $1,000. Thank you. Good luck. Erica Parker,
Yes.
Hellwig.
That may be helpful. No bond. They're currently serving currently for McCollum with deadly weapon. We filled out specifically request do not release.
Judge, she has a hold for Department of Corrections. Her sentence date release from us will be 10/27/25. She was released from prison and she has this bench warrant case. That pop.
All right, let me get this straight. She is currently serving a prison sentence and she came back to Miami to deal with this case. Is that right?
Yes, but the prison sentence is the release date is gonna end October 27th of 2025.
Okay,
Which is 2 days from now.
right. I am going to hold her no bond. She needs to go to division and they need to work out the issues in this case because her release is coming up. So, for your understanding, she's currently serving the sentence on the manslaughter. She needs to go to her division and they need to work out whatever, resolution or plea, or if she wishes to go to trial, then the division judge will consider a bond at that time if he or she wishes. But for now, this is a no bond, currently serving a sentence. Serving prison sentence, okay? Does anybody know what division she's gonna go in?
Division 2 with
She got it Monday from prison.
Okay,
Judge, this is a bench warrant. Let me.
I'll quash the bench warrant. I'll quash the warrant now.
So the warrant is quashed and she has served it, so she can no longer.
Well, I don't know that she hasn't served this. I'll quash the bench warrant and I'll hold her no bond on this case.
Well, Judge, her breaking sentence ends in 2 days. Can we ask at least for?
But this is an open case. She has to either plead to credit for time served or the state has to drop the charges or whatever it is.
It's a 2009 case, Judge.
I know.
09.
All right. There you go. So I'll hold her no bond. They'll resolve this case. Thank you. Yahida Maria Bermudez. Any PC argument?
One moment, Judge. This.
Yes, Bermudez.
No PC argument, Judge, would be asking for an ROR and reset in the homeless calendar.
I find probable cause. She's homeless. Any objections? Does she have any priors?
Your Honor. prior. Now, in 25, there's no one.
Well, it was a no action. Judge. It's not a conviction.
Most adjudication was in 2019.
And for what?
Cocaine possession, Judge, nonviolent crime.
Oh,
She has never been convicted of a violent crime before, Judge, and most priors are no process and no actions.
okay. This is for the Bermudez and Andres, was it Andres Lillian Letman? There's a stay away order on behalf of Yant. I don't understand your hand. I know it is a different case, but I was just handed, I'll get back to that one. All right, Yahida Bermudez. So she apparently has drug issues and she has this misdemeanor. Is she homeless, Mr.?
She is, Judge. Yes, ma'am, she is.
She's homeless?
Would be asking for a date certain, please.
I'm gonna grant a $1,000 bond. She clearly has a drug problem. Stay away from McKinley Jones III. And
But Judge, she's homeless. She can't pay $1,000.
I understand. And that doesn't mean that that they cannot, that her trial judge cannot send her to the homeless calendar or release her, but for now, she has priors, it was a felony. PC found $1,000 bond.
No date certain, John?
Ma'am,
No date certain.
what do you mean? For the homeless calendar? Can I do both?
Well, you're not releasing her, so she's gonna go to courtroom 6-5 in front of Judge Correa.
Yeah, and that'll be fine. That's what I want to have. Alrighty, Wanda Halliman is a bond out. For which one? Parliament? Okay. So Ms. Parliament, I'm granting a stay away.
For bond out, we don't issue a stay away order.
All right. So then scratch that. Yeah, you were gonna. All right. Trinidad Jimenez Huarbe. Trinidad Jimenez Huarbe. I don't have an A form for her, was she?
It's Maria Delgado.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
What happened to those, Madam Clerk? Never mind. Maria Delgado. Sorry, that was me. Maria Delgado. Any PC arguments, sir?
Judge, the two bench ones were just asking for you to come there, surf and watch them. And she's homeless, would be asking for a date for the homeless calendar.
Forgive me. Say.
You're just going to, Ms. Delgado, do you speak English?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're just gonna be in a cycle of being arrested and being set on the homeless calendar, and being arrested and being set on the homeless calendar.
That's my predicament, Your Honor. I am extremely seriously disabled and I'm homeless. I'm very by.
You don't get disability insurance?
Yes, but my account card was stolen, and I've been battling with the individuals from Direct Express to send me a new debit credit MasterCard.
Well, somehow you have to figure that out, because
No.
this is not.
Yes, they won't send me a new debit credit MasterCard.
All right.
Monies. Yeah, it's just that I can't publish.
What are you asking for, Mr. Fatukin?
We're asking for an ROR and a certain date in the homeless calendar, please.
What are you asking for, state? I think it's $150. It says defendant failed to appear.
That's correct. There may be a total of $200.
What were her original charges? And that's the extent of her record?
We will read off the priors in a moment. here.
I'm gonna ROR her.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm gonna ROR her. ROR.
And Judge, I need the date certain and location for this.
Madam Clerk, do you need me to quash the warrants
No.
once they come in? All right, all right. I'll obviously quash the warrants, but that's already been done. Ma'am, I'm gonna set you on the homeless calendar. That's October 29th, October 29th at 8:45 a.m. Courtroom 6-8 for both cases. Now you have 2 cases, so if you continue to ignore these, you're gonna have 3. And you're gonna just be in and out of jail, in and out of jail. There you go. So that was RR. Christopher Monique
You have
McDuffie.
on both cases?
Yes, ma'am, both cases.
The defendant's out on felony bond currently for charges are grand theft, uttering checks.
I don't have a file on her. I have traffic now. That's what I have here. Yep, don't have anything.
No, Judge.
This is from McDuffie, right?
This one is traffic? Okay. Okay. All right, Christina Monique McDuffie, it's traffic. The first one is a temporary tax display. Here's Miss McDuffie. And then the next one is no driver's license. What's your traffic record like? Mr. Petkulin,
I'm looking at the priors, Judge.
date,
Judge, there are several criminal priors from 2025 and then various charges.
for what?
Well, does a withhold of adjudication.
For what?
So there were cases, and then from December 5th, 2017, letter back from July 3rd, organized fraud, theft, uttering checks, driver's license suspended.
All right,
Judge, the DWLS counsel just mentioned it was transferred to traffic court.
Yeah.
It was never convicted of a felony.
all right.
Yeah.
$500 bond per case, $500 bond.
So
What-
500 as to each.
Yes, $500 as
I'm
to.
sorry, she's been in custody since September the 4th of 2025. These were added cases.
Oh, these were added cases? Why in the world? Okay. And what is the status of her current cases prior to this, madam? Corrections.
She pled guilty to F-25-2395B, F-25-13948. Defendant pled guilty on both cases. Defendant was sentenced to probation on both cases. And then she also has another traffic case that she's not in jail on, and another traffic case that we gave her a bond of $150.
Miss McDuffie, as crazy as it seems, I have seen people sentenced to prison for traffic violations. It gets to the point where people are literally sentenced to state prison for being a habitual traffic offender and being pleading guilty to a felony. You're working your way to being a habitual offender if you've already got a felony theft. Did you say that was a withhold, Mr.
Yes,
Petkulin? Okay.
Judge. There was a withhold.
The point I'm trying to make is that you've got to get yourself an electric bicycle or something, and you cannot continue on the track. Look at your situation here for nonviolent offenses that really have to do with driving. All right, rather than $500, she's already, and I'm gonna ROR her on these cases. I'm gonna release her on her own recognizance. You should come back to court. Don't think that these things are gonna go away. You're on probation. Make sure that there is a court date for these 2 cases. There's a possibility that these will be dropped in light of the fact that you're already serving a sentence. So take care of them, otherwise they're gonna come back to haunt you. So ROR on these two cases, she's been in custody for a heck of a long time already, from September on this NVDL and temporary tag situation.
Thank you, Judge, and thank you, corrections.
All right. Anna Maria Ramos.
She's present. Judge.
Your Honor, in this case, the state would be requesting a $10,000 bond. We would be requesting $2,500 in each count. This case involves driving under the influence, resulting in damage as well as leaving the scene of the accident. Very serious case, and the state recommends elevated bond.
And she'll be back on the bond hearing calendar. She has a new felony, a related.
What is the related felony?
The open related felony in this case is child neglect.
There was a child in the car? What was the age of the child?
I know that there's a baby in the rear. I'm not positive if the baby's age has been specified, but my colleague said it here.
Okay, and what are her priors?
No priors, Judge. She only has one battery, no action, back from 2022. So would be asking for standard bond.
Your Honor, standard bond would only be $3,050. State is requesting elevated bond due to the nature of the crime.
And the defense would maintain.
What's the standard bond on these cases? The 1,000?
So it would be for DUI property damage, 1,000, for DUI, 1,000, for DUI property damage to the other person, 1,000, and then leaving the scene of the accident would be 150.
Correct. The total would be
request is 2,500 for each count for a total of 1,000.
Is she employed, Mr. Fedkulov?
no, she's not employed, Judge. She's telling me.
No.
Not right now.
Okay. I'm gonna grant a $2,500 bond on the DUI. $2,500 on the DUI.
That's the case ending in NE.
Yes, ma'am. On the case ending in NE, that would be A9KUDNE. On the DUI property, which is the case ending in KE, that's gonna be 1,000, which is standard bond. On DUI personal injury, that case is ending in IE.
Yeah, and Judge, if I may, it's not necessarily personal injury. It could be damage or personal injury. It's the same.
That'll be standard bond 1,000. And then on the leaving the scene, I'm gonna, the bond will be $500. That's ending in, well, AM246NE. AM246NE
So
is $500.
total bond would be $5,000.
That is correct.
That is 25, 35, 45. That is correct.
You done?
Yes.
Then I got it.
25 on the DUI, 1,000 on the ending in K, 1,000 in D, in E, 500 leaving the scene. Okay. Where is Miss Ramos? Miss Ramos? I just want you, I want to tell you something. No, you can stay right there, ma'am. You can stay right there. Where's Miss Ramos?
She's bringing her back, Judge. Just a second.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. She's back, Judge.
Okay, yes. Ms. Ramos, you may think that this is the worst day of your life because you had this incident, but I think that it is an absolute wake-up call. You don't say anything because it's all being recorded. It's a wake-up call for you. You can drink yourself till you pass out and fall into a bush, but what you cannot do is drive and do the things that are alleged that you did. So this is a wake-up call. It is actually a gift for you to realize how serious your situation has gotten. Good luck to you. What do you need? Oh, that's what I did?
Right.
Next, we have where the judge.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, now this is
Where?
Trinidad Jimenez Huarbe, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And she has a bench warrant for the charge of, let's see,
It's a traffic case. Judge.
DWLS operating while DL is suspended, cancel or revoke. Date? What are her priors?
No priors, Judge.
No priors? I'm gonna ROR her.
And Judge, she's on house, so would be asking for a date certain, please.
What's that?
She's homeless, would be asking for a date certain.
Okay, I'm gonna ROR and homeless calendar.
October 29th.
10/29, October 29th in courtroom 6-8 at 8:45 a.m.
Okay. And this is Judge Alvarezine. Oh, Judge.
I don't know.
It doesn't.
Thank you. Good luck. Brianna Rivero Salazar. Brianna Rivero Salazar.
Reset for tomorrow.
There.
This is Brianna Salad.
Yes, reset 10/26.
Okay.
All right.
So she's,
Is this misdemeanor calendar now?
okay.
Ms. Rivero Ayala, what case are you on?
No, it's beyond.
Oh,
Good morning, Judge. I'm here on Louis Lucas, Susie Ribeiro Ayala on his behalf.
Misdemeanor calendar?
No, Judge, it should be the felony calendar.
A felony. Is there, can we call the attorneys the felony out of order? All right, they can't. What
We're
time
still
should
in the
she come
misdemeanor
back?
calendar. Well, it depends how fast we can go through.
All right,
the-
so they don't have any of the paperwork. You're super early.
Okay, what time does Your Honor start felonies? You don't know.
It's unpredictable because I have a stack of misdemeanors to go through, but I think it could be a little while. What do you all, Madam Clerk, what's your best estimate that we'll be starting felonies? It depends on me. I don't know how fast I'm gonna be.
I'll be back, Judge.
Yeah, I think maybe 30 minutes.
I'll be back. Thank you, Judge.
Sound like a reasonable guess? 30 minutes? Nobody wants to commit. Nobody wants to commit, Miss Ayala.
It might be
I,
closer.
I, I think they're saying it's up to you. So
Yeah,
I'll come
and
back.
it can't be up to me. I know the least about. I'll see you in a little bit.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, you're welcome. Okay, Sergio Arguello Macis.
Judge,
Any-
we have an add-on I gave to the clerk. Miss Lisa.
The add-on is at the end. Madam Clerk says it's at the end.
She's a female. They're gonna be taking the females back. Are we able to address her now?
and she's present, Judge.
This one? You know, I was saying I need this camera in my court because it makes my hair look good.
You have an audience today, right?
What's that?
You have an audience today.
All righty. Yes, officer, we're gonna do this one first. Lisa Elizabeth Baird.
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, she's been in custody since May 28th of 2025. On her felony case, she was sentenced and her sentence expires on October 24th of 2025, which expired yesterday.
Well, expired. Right, what's today?
Has
The 25th of October, you're.
Yeah, it expired yesterday. Therefore, I have no choice. What case is this? What is, let's see.
It's
What's-
a petty theft, Judge.
It's what?
It's a petty theft.
It's a petty theft?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, well, I think she needs to be ROR'd. What do you all think?
No objection.
She's ROR'd.
And Judge, can we set her in the homeless calendar as well?
ROR. I'm going to set you on the homeless calendar. That's October 29th at 8:45 a.m. Courtroom 6-8, ma'am, okay? There you go. All right, thank you. So then she can go back with the other females. All right, Silvio Arguello Macis.
The defendant has completed immigration.
He refused, reset for tomorrow.
Oh, okay, it's easy. He refused, we'll set 10/26/25. Yep. There you go. Refused. Well, John Joseph.
Can we pass, Judge, mental health?
Mental health, pass. Pass. Mental health. John Stevens. Robert Stevens.
Can we pass as well, please?
Pass.
And
Torrance Donnell Hannon. Torrance Donnell Hannon.
Present, Judge.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Hannons. Any PC argument?
Judge, no PC argument.
I'll find PC.
Yesterday, he went before Judge GLAZER on a felony case. He was given a bond of $1,000.
Felony, can you give me the case number on the felony?
F25-23255.
So
Was it as a result of this same incident, ma'am? If you know,
Yes, it's related.
it is related?
So
All right. He
Judge-
has a $1,000 bond. What is the charge in the felony, ma'am?
Grand theft third degree.
Grand theft? Okay.
Judge, can we do $1 bond, $1 bond as to each count?
What's state?
No objection if he has the felony bond of
He's
1,000.
got the felony bond. I'll do $1 bond.
Thank you, Honor.
$1. $1 bond,
On both counts?
Each count.
each count.
Thank you, Judge.
Stay away from the red, white, and blue thrift store. Do you understand that, sir? Stay away from there. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
All right, Emmanuel Rosa. Any PC argument?
Immigration.
She went to immigration, Judge.
Oh,
He has a hold for immigration.
He has a whole fine immigration.
all right, any PC argument? State, what are you asking for?
No PC action.
State,
I'll be requesting standard bond case, Your Honor.
standard bond.
Addition.
What's a standard bond on petty theft?
Judge, it's 150. However, he doesn't appear to have any priors. It's a petty theft, so it would be asking for $1 bond.
Wow. What's the standard bond?
150, Judge.
150?
Yes.
Oh, that's changed. Okay, $150. $150 is his standard bond. Stay away from the Starbucks. Has bigger problems now.
Counsel, does he speak English?
No.
Oh,
Translate, please.
apologies. Yes, we need the interpreter.
Buenos días, señor. Usted se le acusa de hurto en cuantía menor. También los carceleros le han informado a su señoría que usted tiene una orden de retención de parte del Departamento de Inmigración. Su abogado estaba argumentando, ya que usted no tiene antecedentes penales, que le impusiese una fianza de solo $1. Su señoría, sin embargo, le va a imponer la fianza de rigor, son $150. Pase usted buen día.
Gracias.
Okay.
Oh, también manténgase alejado de la tienda Starbucks.
All right.
Okay. Ismael Tellería. Ismael Tellería.
Your Honor, Joanne Hennessy for the city of Miami Beach.
Oh, there you are. Okay.
Your
Which-
Honor,
What's your position, Mr.? What are you asking for?
Your Honor, I'd ask for an increased bond. Mr. Tayari has multiple recent priors, including not so distant past aggravated battery with a deadly weapon.
And what happened to that case?
He was convicted
Back in 2022.
2022, but recently in this month, October 2025, he's got an open container, which he was adjudicated guilty. And in September of 2024, park after hours adjudicated guilty.
Yeah, judge would be asking for an RR and homeless calendar reset. He doesn't have a place to stay. The most recent convictions, city ordinance.
He's a convicted felon. Was it a withhold or a conviction, Ms. Hennessy?
For the aggravated battery?
Yeah.
No, it was a conviction.
I've been in Miami Beach for 16 years.
Okay.
16 years, and I'm having a problem. I have the problem that I have. I don't need a friend.
All right. First of all, a find probable cause. What's your position? Oh, well, I guess you're speaking for the. What's your position, State?
Your Honor, I'd ask for an elevated bond of $300. It's $150 is the standard bond.
Yeah.
Judge, this is a camping prohibited charge, so.
I'm going to grant the state's request, $300 bond.
I'm going to the
$300 bond. Thank you.
Thank you.
You can't, can I say? Adan Negron Morris. Adan Negron Morris.
Your Honor, Joanne Hennessy for the city of Miami Beach.
All right. What are you asking for, Ms. Hennessy?
Your Honor, I'm also asking for, this is a 150 standard bond. I'm asking for an elevated bond of 300.
Because?
Mr. Negron Morris has multiple priors, including from last year, a trespass, and in 2023 also a battery on an officer and a fire EMT
What
firefighter.
happened in that case? What happened in that felony?
Well, both of those are adjudication guilty, Your Honor. I won't mention them if they aren't adjudicated.
I just have a.
Where is he?
Not here yet. Is this?
Adan Negron Morris. Adan Negron Morris.
And as in terms of priors, judge, all I have in front of me is this. Like I don't have any priors, at least not on what was provided to me.
All right.
Your Honor, I have the statewide priors. I'm sorry, I didn't notice that, but it's the trespasses in Pasco County and the battery on a firefighter is in Polk County.
Okay.
Adjudication guilty. So
Probable cause found. He's a convicted felon. I'll grant a $300 bond.
thank you.
Yeah.
Rory Alexander Hunt. Rory Alexander Hunt.
Your Honor, Joanne Hennessy for the city of Miami Beach.
Any priors? Any PC arguments?
Yes, I do have a PC argument.
What is your PC argument?
As to count 2 on camping prohibited, the ordinance specifically requires the person to use something as a shelter or to use a shelter. There are no allegations on the face of the A form that Mr. Hunt was using anything as a shelter. As such, no PC for count 2.
I want to clarify also, Your Honor, at this point, it's the state's case because there's a state charge on it, so I'll defer to the state.
All right, state.
In the case, Mr. Hunt, the state would be requesting.
I'm sorry, can you speak up, state? I cannot hear you.
Speak directly into the microphone. The state would be requesting standard bond in this case, which would be $650. The drug paraphernalia possession has a standard bond of $500, and the camping prohibition has a standard bond of $150. The defendant has.
What about the argument that he wasn't using any shelter, so he doesn't qualify?
If I may, Your Honor,
You may.
he's sleeping at 1300 Washington Avenue. The third element, which is it's an or he's sleeping on public property. This is not the beach. This is the street. He's found on the curtilage of the U.S. Postal Service.
All right, what are his priors?
Judge, he doesn't have any prior convictions. He does have one withhold for criminal mischief. Would be asking for an ROR or pre-trial.
All right, what's the standard bond for drug paraphernalia?
$500.
All right, $500 for the paraphernalia. And what's the standard bond for the camping?
$150.
$300 for the camping.
Judge, I'm also asking for pre-trial services if he qualifies.
Well, he has a prior.
Well, it's a non-violent and it's a withhold. It's not a conviction, so he should qualify.
If he qualifies, the state has no objection.
Oh, right, pretrial services. He's homeless.
No, he has an address.
He has an address set up. He's got a bed.
He has a bed somewhere
Here's what?
in the Keys. Well, he's not. I don't think that ensures that he comes back. He's out of town, so I don't think that will qualify him for. A bed in the Keys will not qualify him for pretrial services
I
here.
understand, Judge. Can we give him a date certain on the homeless calendar then to ensure his appearance back to court? I mean, this is not violent charges.
No, it's not. I'll place him on the homeless calendar, but he still has to post a bond. I don't see the point of that. No, never mind. All right. That was it. Maria Alexander Condon's 500 and then 300.
And Judge, did you make fines in as to count two?
Yes, I did. I found PC on both. All right. Joseph Desir.
Your Honor, I'm just announcing my appearance in this case. This is Joanne Hennessy for the City of Miami Beach. There's an ordinance violation on the 8th one.
Okay. And the trespassing is in Miami Beach.
And that's a bond of 500 on count 1, 300 on count 2, straight bond?
Correct. Yeah, he doesn't qualify for pretrial services because his address is in Key Largo. All right. We are on Joseph Desir. Mr. Desir, you are charged with 1 count of trespass, second-degree misdemeanor, and camping. What are his priors?
State pickup, please.
There's several priors in between 2009 and 1998, including grand theft conviction, uttering reports of conviction, grand theft, probation violation, concealed weapon.
When was the last conviction?
The last conviction actually was in 2012. Concealed weapon.
All right.
They both are like.
What are you asking for, Tennessee?
Your Honor, I'd ask for standard bond on count 2.
And Judge would be asking for an ROR and date certain in homeless calendar. I mean, yet again, this crimes are not violent, and the last conviction is over 10 years ago, with other convictions 20 or 30 years ago.
I'm going to grant standard bond on count 1. What is it?
150.
On count 1, it's 150. 150 each count. 150 each count. Standard bond. PC found. Carlos Lobos.
Your Honor, Joanne Hennessy for the City of Miami Beach.
What are you asking for, Tennessee?
Your Honor, for both counts, I'm asking for standard bond.
Excuse me 1 second, would the assistant of Spanish interpreter, please?
All right, we need a Spanish interpreter.
And Ms. Hennessy, good morning. Is this for camping or for drinking?
There's a camping and a park after hours.
Señor Lobo, thank you, counsel. Usted se le acusa, tiene dos acusaciones por estar acampando en parques de la ciudad después del atardecer. La fiscal adjunta está pidiendo que se le impongan fianzas de rigor.
All right, state, what are his crimes?
Su señoría le preguntó a la fiscalía qué tipo de
Your Honor,
antecedentes
I have a
tiene.
2019 drinking in public that he was found guilty. And primarily withholds. In 2017, a trespass.
All right, so it's chronic homelessness. basically.
Judge, most of his priors city ordinance violations. I mean, he's been punished for living in Miami Beach and for not having a home. So would be asking for an ROR.
La fiscal adjunta está indicando que usted tenía una condena previa en el 2019 por estar viviendo en las vías públicas, otra entrada ilegal 2017 y que el resto usted no ha tenido asentamiento con condena del acta. Su señoría es de la opinión que usted sufre de las penurias de ser desamparado de índole crónica. El abogado de oficio indicó que usted ha sido castigado por estar viviendo en la ciudad de Miami Beach y no tener un hogar.
What can I say? I have to follow the law.
Well, can we do reduced bond, Judge?
And what?
Can we do bond reduction, less than standard, $1 to each count?
You know, this has been happening 2017, 2019, I think it was. He's got priors, so I'll leave it at that.
Se le va a dejar las fianzas de rigor. Su abogado pidió que le pusiese fianza de solo $1. Su señoría lo rechazó y le va a dejar las fianzas en lo que son.
You determined standard bond in both counts, Your Honor. Is that correct?
Bond.
Thank you.
Fianza de rigor en ambas acusaciones.
Okay, Casey James Malone. Casey James Malone.
And what's the bond?
150 on each. Morning, Casey James Malone. Mr. Malone.
Morning.
Morning. Any PC arguments, Mr. Petkulov?
No, not at this time, Judge.
I'll find PC. State, what are you asking for?
This is the city.
City?
I don't believe this is my case, Your Honor.
Yes.
Lincoln Road, 300 block of Lincoln.
Miami Beach case.
But is it a
Camping.
It's an ordinance, camping, yeah, according to
Any priors? Anybody have any priors on?
Yes.
Disorderly intoxication from September 5th, 2025, as well as grand theft of the vehicle, July 5th, 2025.
And he already served his time and would be asking for an ROR. He's homeless. And this charge arises out of the fact that she didn't have a place to go. So
Corrections, let's see, when was he arrested? Oh, it was a few days ago.
yesterday.
So what's the Madam Corrections Officer or anyone, what is the status of the felony?
I don't have a felony on the jail card, Judge. Do you have a felony?
What was it that he had? Grand Theft Auto use.
From July, yes. He took a withhold on.
So he has a withhold adjudication for a Grand Theft Auto?
Yes.
Yes, Judge. And the sentence ended in August.
A standard bond, what is it, 150 for camping?
Yes, Your Honors. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. You've got to figure it out, sir, but you can't do it. This is not the way. Juan Carlos Cuevas. Peralta. Do you speak English?
Yes, he does.
Okay. PC,
Not at the time.
Four Pines PC. Okay. The court finds probable cause. The court issues a stay away order from 109 West Maury Drive in Homestead. You cannot go near that area, Mr. Cuevas, you understand?
No, understood.
All right. It's a petty theft. Standard bond is what?
Judge would be asking for an RR and resident homeless. He doesn't have a place to live. He needs a date certain.
Unfortunately,
The defendant prior to that conviction.
yeah, several priors, 150, standard bond. 150. Hector Alberto Gonzalez, 3 cases.
Your Honor, Mr. Gonzalez.
JMH reset for tomorrow.
Okay.
Reset 1026. Who do you want me to write this on the cover? Here. Reset. There. Oh, here we go. All right, the next one, Juan Carlos Ferreira was a bond out. Juan Alberto Cintron.
Present, Judge.
All right, Mr. Cintron, you speak English? Okay. These are bench warrants, is that right?
Yes, Judge.
Right, they've been quashed. And what did the prior judge order?
The bench was to the amount of 150.
Hmm?
I have 150 as to the case ending in 8932.
Where do you see that? Does anybody?
Yes, I see that as well, Your Honor, but the defendant also has another case ending in 8930.
Also 150.
150 as well, so it would be a total.
All right, so bond of 150.
Judge would be asking for pre-child services. He does appear to have a local address.
Yeah.
And he should qualify.
The bond's gonna be 150 per case.
Are you not on pre-child services, Judge?
I'm not. He failed to appear already. Okay. Roberto Acosta.
Do you speak English? But this is a Spanish interpreter, please.
We need a Spanish interpreter. For Roberto Acosta. Mr. Acosta, I'm ordering you to stay away from 5851 Northwest 177th Street in Hialeah.
5851, Your Honor?
Sorry? He needs to
5851, you said?
5851
Northwest.
177th Street.
Señor Acosta, su señoría le está ordenando que se mantenga usted alejado de las 5851 Northwest en la 177 calle. Thank you, Your Honor.
And is this the Walmart, Judge?
No. Eso es la tienda Walmart, su señoría. He answered yes, Your Honor.
Walmart Center, yes.
Es el centro Walmart, sí, señor.
All right. Bench warrant, $1,000. That was issued September 11th, so.
Well, he served it now, Judge.
Huh?
He has served it now by being in custody.
Tenía una orden de arresto, fianza $1,000.
$1,000 bond, the court will issue a $1,000 bond.
Su señoría está convirtiendo la orden de arresto de $1,000 a una fianza de una fianza de $1,000 y usted falló en venir a los tribunales el día 11 de septiembre.
Well, Judge, if I may, a bench warrant amount does not have to, like the bond amount does not have to match the bench warrant amount. Bench warrant is just for him to pick up.
Yeah.
And in case they want to post it right there.
I understand I have discretion. I'm issuing a $1,000 bond.
Su abogado de oficio está pidiéndole a su señoría que pese a que la orden de arresto era por $1,000, su señoría no le tenía que imponer $1,000 y ya dice que ella lo entiende y aún así le está imponiendo los $1,000 de fianza.
All right. Antrell McWhorter,
For a coastal, it was 1,000.
I'm sorry? What was 1,000?
For a coastal.
Are you Mr. McWhorter?
No, this is, that's,
No. This gentleman right here is McWhorter. I'm calling McWhorter. I don't understand what the officer said.
she was asking you if you issued 1,000.
Oh, Acosta.
Okay.
Yes, Acosta was 1,000. Sorry, officer. All right, Antrell McWhorter, this is a battery. NEPC, I think
Not at this time, Judge.
I find PC. State. Which is?
Judge, she has no local priors. It would be asking for pretrial services.
$1,000 bond. $1,000 bond for Antrell McWhorter. All right, Mario Domingo Almanza was a bond out. Carlos Israel Perez. Carlos Israel Perez. Mr. Perez, do you speak English?
No.
Okay, interpreter. He needs to stay away from 3595 West 20th Avenue, Hialeah.
Pero usted tiene que mantenerse alejado del 3525 West de la 20 Avenida en la ciudad de Hialeah.
Judge would be asking for an ROR reset and homeless calendar.
Su abogado de oficio está pidiendo que usted lo dejen salir bajo su propia responsabilidad o palabra y que lo fijen en el calendario para desamparados.
He's got a prior bench warrant in September 19th, 2025.
Usted ya tenía una orden de arresto previa, eso fue del 19 de septiembre de este mismo año.
The bond's going to be $500.
La fianza será establecida en $500.
$500. Sean.
$100, Janet?
$500.
$500.
Sean Michael Harrington. Disorderly conduct.
1 second, Judge. He's not here.
Okay.
Judge, can we pass?
Yes.
Good morning, Your Honor. This is Officer Marrero. I'm sorry to interrupt the courtroom.
Yeah.
Your Honor, I'm here for just to see. I've been waiting since 8:55 this morning to see for the bond of Joseph Shears.
I don't think I've called that name. What was it for? Can you give us?
It's for burglary, and the case number is Foxtrot.
No, we have not started the felonies yet. We have not started the felonies.
We have not started the felonies. Okay, I'll just continue waiting. I just want to make the court aware that I will be on behalf of the city for that defendant.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Sean Michael Harrington, is that the one that we have?
Yeah, we're passing.
All right, we passed him, thank you. And Carl Thomas Sokolinski.
He refused, reset for tomorrow.
All right, refused, reset 10/26.
There you go.
Bakayun Demondre Moore.
Mr. Martin, Judge.
Mr. Moore, this is a trespass After warning. Previously trespassed on the property, currently sitting by the hotel lobby. Okay. All right, Mr. Moore, there's a stay away order now from 8051 Northwest 36th Street in Doral. So you have to stay away from there. No PC argument.
No PCR. That's fine.
I'll find PC.
Would you ask to RR?
What are his priors?
Is the
Conviction from October 10th, 2025, this past July 31st, trespass conviction as well. 2024 February trespass. Fines, 7 for the next time.
What's a standard bond?
500.
and judge the crimes as the result of him being homeless. So we'd ask the court.
I know. I don't make the laws, I just follow them.
No, I understand, but just have
$500 bond. Mr. Moore. This is just, I see people waiting to help other people in, I don't know, some establishments, and they make per diem every day. They get paid. They just wait around in the morning and they get paid. If they get picked up, they get paid money every day outside of the electricians union, outside of the plumbers union, outside of some stores. There's ways for you to legally make some money so that you don't have to live under this condition. But right now, $500. All right. Jean Junior Montina. Jean.
Judge, we passed Mr. John Joseph. For the record, he refused. He'll be reset for tomorrow. John Joseph.
John Joseph, did I say what page?
5.
Earlier?
Yeah,
Okay.
passed him. He'll be reset for tomorrow.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see. John Joseph on page 5, everyone. On page 5, John Joseph. There were 2 people that the first one refused, that was Sylvia Arguello Macis. The second is John Joseph.
Yes, ma'am, would be asking for an RR and reset in a homeless calendar with the date certain.
All right. What are his priorities?
The last one, there 4 times. For camping ordinance, sort of cannabis, partnership.
All right. 150 each count, 150 each count. This is just going to be a vicious cycle until you figure out to stay somewhere, you know, at a homeless shelter or something, and make a little money or get,
It wasn't like, it's not like that. I'm not gonna that gets a person about it. It's a lot of things that just kind of happen. It's not, that's not my character at all.
Okay.
I don't have they got my stuff and they don't want my stuff away in 30 days. And I really, I won't do that. I won't go back.
It's just that it's this is the 5th time in a month and a half.
No, I do.
So it's $150 each count.
So I'm gonna get out of jail.
You're supposed to pay $150 for each count. All right, Jakari Devon Williams.
Your Honor, Joanne Hennessy for the city of Miami Beach.
Okay.
In this case, I'd ask for an elevated bond due to very recent priors in October, including this adjudication for smoking cannabis and camping. That's the extent of his record, but it seems like anyway.
Any PC argument?
Not at this
I'll
time.
find PC.
Judge,
yes.
like a conviction for smoking cannabis. I mean, what are we talking about? Can we get him released on recognizance and give him a date for? Again, he's homeless. It's not a crime of violence.
Standard bond 150. Standard bond. All right, Carlos Rodriguez Cardenas. Carlos Rodriguez Cardenas. Petty theft? Do you speak English?
With this is with the interpreter playing.
All right. Interpreter, please. Stay away from 312 Lincoln Road in Miami Beach. If you go back there, you'll be arrested.
Señor, manténgase alejado del lugar que está en el 312 de la carretera Lincoln Road en la ciudad de Miami Beach. Si acaso usted vuelve por ahí, usted volverá a caer preso.
Okay. Priors?
No prior.
Judge,
Su señoría preguntó por antecedentes. Parece que usted no tiene antecedentes penales.
Judge, there's a petty theft conviction from 2023, as well as a trespass conviction from 2023, and most recently a trespass and drug paraphernalia withhold.
I'm sorry, I will on Mr. Salad.
This is Carlos Rodriguez Cardenas.
Carlos Rodriguez Cardenas.
Mr. Salas is a bond out.
Oh, okay. My apologies. I thought we were talking about Mr. Salad.
Al contrario, está indicando la fiscalía que usted tiene, parece que 2 acusaciones de hurto en cuantía menor, 2022, donde tiene un asentamiento y condena en el acta. También más recientemente tiene una acusación de entrada ilegal y de accesorios de narcóticos que parece que no le dieron asentamiento en el acta, pero por lo menos usted lo arrestaron por eso.
Well, hold on. Huh? He's before Salad. My apologies, just a second. Oh. Why, John? Say what?
All right, Carlos Rodriguez Cardenas, the court finds probable cause. He has 1 count of petty theft. He has a few recent convictions, 150.
Señoría, ya que hay motivo fundado ante dicha acusación, ella encuentra que por lo menos tiene una acusación donde le dieron condena en el acta por hurto en cuantía menor y tiene otras acusaciones recientes. Fianza de rigor, $150.
Okay,
So 150?
150.
150.
The next case is Christian Andres Salas. That is a bond out. Christian Andres Salas is a bond out.
What was
Your
just
Honor,
the-
if I could just announce my appearance in that case, Joanne Hennessy for the city of Miami Beach. Thank you.
You're welcome. The next case is Gene Halliman. That's a bond out.
Okay.
Yep. So here you go.
Brown,
Bond out for Parliament. The next case is Tommy Lee Brown. Tommy Lee Brown.
Judge, before we go to Mr. Brown, well, after Mr. Brown, can we do Mr. Sean Michael Harrington that we passed?
Yes.
On which page?
Right now, we're on Tommy Lee Brown, page 13, second one. You got it? You ready, Mr. Fedculo?
The correction was asking you to go back to Mr. Harrington.
After Mr. Tommy.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Right now, we are on Tommy Lee Brown. Mr. Brown, stay away from 4699 Northwest 183rd Street. If you go back, you will be arrested. You understand, sir?
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome. Thank you. All right, Mr. Brown is charged with trespass after warning. What are his priors? His,
Several priors. Literally,
and when? When was the last one?
the 90s all the way to 25, even trespassing and alcohol. Yeah.
Okay. Anything from you, Mr. Fedculo?
Yes, Judge. So, I mean, most of the priors are null process. He does have 1 prior conviction for trespass from this year. Counsel is correct, but would be asking for an ROR, please. Or pre-trials, actually, might strike that pre-trial services if he qualifies.
He won't qualify. 150. 150. All right, you wanted me to go back to whom?
What was the bond for Mr. Brown?
150. We're gonna go back to Sean Michael Harrington. Can somebody tell me the page number? Was it 5?
I'm looking, Judge. I'm trying to figure it out.
Okay.
Wouldn't be 5.
Page 10, folks, page 10.
Mr. Harrington?
I actually haven't finished signing up for the
All right.
program.
On page 10,
Excuse me, Judge.
Sean Michael Harrington, we had previously passed. He's charged with disorderly conduct. Began to yell and harass at customers and workers inside. Any argument for PC, Mr. Petkula?
Yes, Judge. No PC argument at this time.
All right. And PC, the court finds PC. What are his prior state?
The state would be requesting an elevated bond in this case. If you look at his priors, it is a long list of alcohol-related and nuisance-related priors.
I'm sorry, State. Could you speak up? I can't hear you.
We would be requesting an elevated bond in this case. There's a very long list
Judge,
of alcohol and nuisance-related.
Attorney, a private attorney. I don't know what's going on right now. Please.
Is there a private attorney who represents Sean Michael Harrington?
Yeah, I just need to push the case to the, this.
Yeah, there is not. There is no private attorney. I will grant a bond of $300.
Oh my God, where am I getting $300? I'm homeless.
Well, you said you had a private attorney.
Yeah, I'm waiting for him. He's in another
$300.
a cappuccino. It could not be $300. Nobody
Okay.
yelled at me, and I just tried to be nice.
Bond.
Thank you, Judge. Have a great day.
All right, Mr. Harrington, before you go, stay away from 1666 Washington Avenue in Miami Beach. If you go back there, you'll be arrested, sir.
Oh, that's my pleasure. Thank you.
All right, take care, son.
Bye.
$300.
$300. All right, going back to page 13, John Marshall.
For-
John Marshall.
For,
Am I just slow or is there a lot?
I'm sorry. For the record, Mr. Robert Stevens that we passed, he refused. He'll be reset for tomorrow.
Can you tell me what page Robert Stevens was on?
Was it 5?
Yes, page 5.
All right, let's go to page 5. Page 5. Defendant Robert Stevens refused. That will be 10/26. Right? Yep, 10/26. Robert Stevens.
And we have Marshall here. John Mark.
Okay. John Stevens refused. Okay. Reset. 6. Refused. And jail. Okay, let's resume page 13. I was page 13, John Marshall. John Marshall, Mr. Marshall, good morning. Stay away from 4699 Northwest 183rd Street, Miami Gardens. If you go back there, you will be arrested. I'll find PC unless you have an argument.
No, I don't have an argument, Judge.
All right, what are his priors?
Yeah.
All right, that's unfortunate. That'll be $150 bond.
I think we need to offer-
Grant an RR, the reset and homeless judge. She's homeless.
The state's willing to offer him an adjudication. Do you want to talk to him about that?
Judge, is this a state's case or is it in Miami Beach? I don't believe he can take a plea with charging document if
It's the state's case. It's
Well-
curbside drinking and the trespass after warning.
Yeah, it's not Miami Beach. There's a trespass and there's alcohol.
Yeah, there is no charging document, so I cannot advise him to take a plea.
All right, no problem. So then it's 150 on each, is that right?
So standard bond would be 150 on the alcohol charge and 500 on the drink cut.
All right, 150 each. 150 each. All right, Catuan Demario Bailey, Katuan Demario Bailey. Mr. Bailey, good morning.
He's not here yet, Judge.
He's making his way.
He's making his way, Judge. He's here.
Good morning, Mr. Bailey. Stay away from 4699 Northwest 183rd Street. If you go back there, you will be arrested for trespass. What are his priors? Finding PC.
Several trespasses.
All right, 150 standard bond.
I'm sorry, State, can you speak up? I couldn't hear you.
Several trespass withholds, most recently in August.
Okay, can we do pretrial services if he qualifies?
150. 150. He just pled the same thing.
So,
All right.
no pretrials. Okay.
Right. Jasmani Villegas Romaguera. Villegas Romaguera? Okay. Petty theft, resisting without violence, and trespass on a school after grounds. Do you speak English?
No, Judge, the interpreter.
He needs the interpreter.
Se le acusa hurto en cuantía menor, entrada ilegal a una escuela tras la hora del cierre. ¿Y what was the third one, Your Honor?
Petty theft, resisting an officer without violence,
Thank you.
trespass on school grounds.
Y resistir el arresto de un agente, más sin embargo, sin violencia.
And driving while license suspended knowingly.
So those are,
También se le acusa a usted de manejar con una licencia suspendida a sabiendas.
All right, so on the driving while license suspended knowingly, the bench warrant is for $1,500.
Yes,
Está manejando con una licencia suspendida a sabiendas, la fianza es $1,500.
The judge asked to set this at 1,500. The court will set the bond at 1,500.
La juez o el juez
On
pidió
the driving
orden de-
while license suspended knowingly.
La juez pidió, el juez o la juez que le impuso la orden de arresto pidió que se le impusiese fianza de 1,500 por estar manejando con licencia suspendida a sabiendas y su señoría está cumpliendo con eso.
And Judge, once again, this is a bench warrant. He has served it. Would be asking to reduce the amount to standard bond.
Okay, the court exercised its discretion and gave him a $1,500 bond. On this new case, he has a first-degree misdemeanor petty theft, a resisting an officer without violence, first-degree misdemeanor, and a trespass on school grounds, first-degree misdemeanor.
Y en el caso nuevo, primero su abogado de oficio pidió que su señoría le redujese la fianza, su señoría se lo denegó, y ahora el caso nuevo usted tiene hurto en cuantía menor, delito menor de primer grado, resistir un arresto sin violencia, primer grado, y entrada ilegal a propiedad escolar tras horas escolares, delito menor también de primer grado.
What are his priors?
¿Qué antecedentes tiene?
this is currently two petty theft cases
That are open. What's the standard bond for petty theft?
petty theft is $500.
That'll be $500 on this petty theft, the count two.
I'm asking for pretrial services if he qualifies.
That's denied. Count two, standard bond.
This thing that we got bond case, which is $500.
$500 and count three.
Count three is trespass the school after morning, also $500.
All right. $500 on each count for a total of $1,500. 500 count one, 500 count two, 500 count three.
Su señoría le preguntó a la fiscalía qué tipo de antecedentes tiene. El fiscal adjunto indicó que usted tiene otro hurto en cuantía menor aún abierto y le está preguntando por la fianza de rigor, que son $500. Luego, por resistir a un arresto sin violencia, le dijeron que la fianza de rigor son $500. Su abogado de oficio pidió que le habilitaran el servicio de intervención previa a juicio. Eso fue denegado. La entrada ilegal a recinto escolar, también $500 de fianza, en total $1,500.
All right, next is David Dorsonville Jr. David Dorsonville Jr.
Can we go back to page 13, Mr. Bailey?
Back to page 13, Mr. Bailey, the never-ending calendar. 13, Mr. Bailey. Katuan Demario Bailey, that's 150.
Yes, 150 only on count one. It's not count two. It's only one count.
I only see one count, that's right.
Thank you.
All right. David Dorsonville,
Yes, Your Honor, the state would be requesting standard bond for the driving with license suspended. This defendant had domestic violence case earlier today that we had already addressed.
But
And you gave him pretrial alternate 1,000 on
Yes.
that case.
would be asking for pre-trial services because your owner already granted.
No objection.
okay. All right, pretrial services, can I get pretrial services on DWLS?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, agreed, pretrial services on all.
Is the alternate
Pretrial services, alternate 150 for the DWLS. And did I already give you an alternate for the DV?
Yes, Your Honor,
Okay, what was it, 1,000?
if I'm not mistaken.
All right,
You gave us $1,000.
all right. So then throw the DWLS in there as well. Okay. And pretrial services.
I
all.
think Mr. Vasquez was a bond out. Who's up next?
Xavier Vasquez is a bond out. Anthony Martin is a bond out. The next case, this is all on page 15, Miguel Saldariga Saldariaga. Lopez is off calendar. Enzo Caruso Mendoza is a bond out. So the next case we're on is Aaron Neal Watson, bottom of page 15.
He has a new
Mr.
felony,
Watson
related
is-
felony, fleeing and looting police officer, resisting officer without violence too. He'll be on your bond hearing calendar.
So is this case related to that one?
It is, Your Honor. This is an associated
Felony?
scene of an accident.
What-
Well, the felony is charged separately.
Okay.
I
All right,
assume
so let's do this one. This is leaving the scene on Aaron Neal Watson.
state would be requesting an elevated.
We would be asking for standard bond.
Oh, here.
He doesn't have any prior, Judge. Huh?
All right, so on Aaron Neal Watson, the bond on the leaving the scene with an accident. $500. $500 bond,
Judge may inquire why the bond was elevated. He doesn't have any-
because I read that this is a related felony and he was cutting off traffic on I-95. And he pretended like he was going to grab his license and took off.
Okay, and based on,
Yes, based on the leaving the scene,
okay.
that's 500. Yeah. All right, so that's a $500 bond. Yeah, you know, sometimes, Mr. Watson, things happen for a reason, and you didn't hurt anybody. So this is a big break for you. It sounds like you didn't. I'll find out next at the next calendar. Okay, that's it for now, sir. I'll see you this afternoon. William Adderley Abanto Arujo is a bond out. This is on page 16. Yosmer Camejo is a bond out. Alexander Ray Rivero, bond out. Jordan Jamal Washington, bond out. Oh my God, we're almost at the end. I can't believe it. Josmel Derizan Fuentes.
Span, with the assistance of the Spanish interpreter, please.
All right, we'll need the Spanish interpreter on Mr. Fuentes. Mr. Fuentes, you are charged with no valid driver's license while driving a motorcycle.
State would
Señor
be
Puentes,
requesting
usted se le
standard bond
acusa
of
de no tener licencia válidamente, estaba manejando una motocicleta.
Does he have any priors?
No, Judge.
Él tiene
Is he
antecedentes, no,
qualified
su
for
señoría.
pretrial services?
He does have a lot of recent no prior Judge. I believe he.
No prior.
¿Es que
pretrial
acaso él
services,
califica?
Alternate 1000.
Él califica para los servicios de intervención previo a juicio. Su abogado de oficio está indicando que como usted tiene una dirección local, si califica, su señoría le va a facilitar el servicio de intervención previo a juicio. De lo contrario, fianza de $1000.
I'll reduce the bond to 500. Standard bond
E
is 500.
inclusive le va a reducir la fianza de rigor de 1000 a solo $500. O de lo contrario, también si califica o si quiere utilizar los servicios de intervención previo a juicio.
Pretrial services, alternate 500.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Sherrod
Gracias, señoría.
Henry Lee Clark. Sherrod Henry Lee Clark.
Your Honor, the state would be requesting standard bond of $150. And
What
if
is
the
this?
defendant is eligible for PTS, the
Yeah.
state would not have an objection. However, I do see a number. I take that back. The state would be objecting.
How many NBLs does he have?
I'm sorry. I don't see any.
Anybody know priors?
I do see his priors. I see many arrests. However, the only adjudication locally was a grand theft in 2015, so it has been about 10 years. The state would not object to BTA.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
All right, I'll grant you pretrial release, pretrial services, alternate bond, what is this, 150?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct.
Alternate bond 150. All right, pretrial services, alternate 150. All right. Jean Felix Fuentes Gonzalez.
On his way, Judge.
Priors?
The priors for Mr. Gonzalez include, well, currently he has an open felony
For what?
for burglary, tools, possession, as well as an open misdemeanor for loitering or prowling. However, the defendant's most recent arrests from 2025 and 2023 for cocaine possession, controlled substance possession, and grand theft had all been no action.
All right, where is Mr. Fuentes?
He's on his way. They trying to bring him right now. I'm not entirely sure what's going on.
So he has an open burglary?
He is well, it's possession of burglary tools as well as loitering and prowling. Those are both set for report on November the 5th. The state would just be requesting standard bond in this case. And
Yes.
standard bond for the charge is for Mr. Fuentes. Well, the state would be requesting $500 bond in this case.
Oh, the-
Mr. Fuentes,
Mr. Fuentes coming in.
He's out on felony
Okay.
F-23-17667.
all right.
The bench warrant was issued in the amount of 150, so would be asking your owner to
I'm
step.
gonna set bond at $500.
And are you placing a hold on the out on felony bond?
Yes. And a
Counsel,
hold.
I apologize. Does he speak
Thank you.
English?
She said he does.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. All right, Kevin Manuel Rodriguez Chavez.
Well,
Mhm.
Kevin Manuel Rodriguez Chavez.
hablas
Do you speak English?
No, we can interpret.
All right, we need the services of an interpreter. He's charged with reckless driving.
Señor, usted se le acusa de manejo con peligrosidad o temeridad.
Mr. Interpreter, I think he wants you to repeat.
A usted se le está acusando de manejo con peligrosidad o temeridad.
No.
No.
What was, he's saying no to what question?
No, just to the charge.
Oh,
Judge would be asking to find no PC. The allegations are that he was changing lanes without using turns.
listen, this is Mr. Fitkulov. He's alleged to have a girlfriend that is underage. You need to have a little conversation with him Go ahead, translate that.
Que su abogado de oficio está alegando que no hubo motivo fundado, que lo único que indican es que usted estaba cambiando de carril sin poner las señales. Su señoría le está indicando a su abogado de oficio que quizás él debería estar teniendo una conversación con usted porque usted tenía una novia consigo, una novia menor de edad.
Don't say anything because it could be held against you, but
Sí.
that is a very, very serious felony. So you be very careful, sir. Talk to your attorney about what that involves. Number
Señor,
one.
no diga nada, porque todo lo que usted diga se podrá utilizar en contra suya, pero su señoría le está haciendo una amonestación. Esto sería una situación sumamente, sumamente peligrosa. Hable con su abogado al respecto.
Next, the allegations here of the way that you were driving, there are plenty of people in prison for injuring and killing someone for driving at high rate of speed.
Lo otro es los alegatos con respecto al estilo o la manera de usted estar manejando. Señoría, le está inculcando a usted que hay muchísimas personas que están en prisión por lesionar a otros y manejando a altas velocidades
Injuring and killing.
y lesionando
So,
Killing?
PC
y
fan.
matando.
Okay. It's a reckless driving. Why is he here? He wasn't able to post a bond?
¿Y por qué él está aquí? ¿Es que él no pudo pagar la fianza por manejo con temeridad o peligrosidad?
Wasn't posted.
Eso fue que yo hice un tiro mal y ya como se molestó conmigo.
Sir,
What are his priors?
¿Qué antecedentes tiene él?
Criminal priors, however, there is a citation prior to his driving record that is going 105.
Going 100 miles per hour in a 45 zone?
but that was a traffic citation for the issue.
For this year.
Going 100 miles per hour in a 45-mile zone? If someone
le-
makes a mistake of crossing his path, they will expire.
For that reason, we'd be requesting an elevated bond.
And the person speaking was the state, right, Your Honor?
Yes.
Yes.
El fiscal adjunto está indicando que usted estaba manejando mínimo 100 millas por hora, donde apenas estaba supuesto a hacer 45 millas por hora. Su señoría está haciendo el comentario de cualquier persona o individuo que se le hubiese atravesado a usted iba a expirar o morir. El abogado de oficio está indicando que esto solo sería una infracción de tránsito.
You know, there are a lot of crimes alleged against this young man. He is, in my opinion, approaching a danger to society. Explain to him, sir.
Hay muchísimos delitos que se alegan en contra de este hombre, este joven, y él está peligrosamente aproximándose a ser un peligro a la sociedad.
The way he drives, the allegations of being in the car with a minor who is his girlfriend.
La manera de usted manejar, los alegatos que hay, que usted estaba en el carro con una menor de edad que es supuestamente su novia.
Driving miles, and these are unproven, I understand, but I think they justify a $500 elevated bond.
Judge, if I may,
Su señoría está indicando que todo esto son alegatos y aún no han sido comprobados, pero aún así justifican una fianza elevada de $500.
Regarding the citation, that is not an allegation.
Yes,
It was
that's what-
closed out with a withhold in July.
yes, this was my question. This citation does not arise from this incident, Judge.
Yes, no, I am clear, but it's the second allegation of speeding dangerously within 60 to 90 days. So
Y
I'm trying to get his attention before he kills someone and he's up facing life.
Que su señoría le han indicado que sí, unos antecedentes que usted tiene por exceso de velocidad no se deberían de incluir entre los delitos y su señoría está de acuerdo y también la fiscalía. Sin embargo, ella está indicando que este es el segundo alegato por exceso de velocidad en apenas un periodo de 60 días y ella lo que le quiere inculcar a él es que esto pudiese conllevar a una situación donde él le estuviera confrontando hasta cadena perpetua. He said something, but I couldn't hear him, Your Honor. Or maybe he's talking to his attorney.
If you continue, and I don't know that you have, the state has to prove that, has to prove it. I'm just going a step further. If you actually drive at this speed and you kill someone, your life is ruined.
Señor, si acaso esto se puede comprobar, y no sé si usted va a continuar en esto, y además es la fiscalía que tiene que comprobarlo, pero ella está conllevando esto un paso más allá. Si usted continúa manejando a dicha velocidad y usted mata a alguien, la vida suya será completamente arruinada.
Okay, that's all I'm saying.
Eso es lo único que le voy a decir.
I would not want to see you in that situation, so I'm trying to open your eyes now so that you think about what you're doing.
Yo no te quiero ver en dicha situación, por eso es que te estoy tratando de abrir los ojos para que pienses en lo que estás haciendo.
So that you don't ruin your life.
Para que así no te arruines la vida, tu vida.
Thank you.
Gracias.
And Judge, for the record, you did make the PC Phantom, right?
$500 bond.
Oh, no, he's gone.
Your Honor, Joanne Hennessy for the City of Miami Beach. I believe that's the end of the calendar.
I believe so.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. I'm only here for that calendar if I could be excused, Your Honor.
You're excused. Thank you.
Thank you.
500.
Your Honor, how long a break are you going to take? 10, 5?
It is 12 o'clock. No wonder I'm hungry. What's
It's arroz and frijoles time.
Ready?
No, 1:30. If you tell me that that's good news, I'll take it. I am hungry, but I know that there have been people waiting. So we'll go through these 43 felony cases. 41.
Recording
okay.
stopped.
It's not that bad.
I can.
Corrections is asked to call some out of turn. I'm also going to call the attorneys, the attorney, Ms. Rivero Ayala, and the officer. out of
Recording
turn.
in progress.
Judge, if we could take a 5 minutes recess because I need to switch with my felony colleague who's going to be
Yeah,
taking.
let's take 5 minutes.
Thank you, Judge.
You're
Thank you, Judge.